Shot in New York and New Jersey, the premiere of the Jamaican film Diary of a Bad Man took place recently at Carib 5. Let's hear more from the actors and the director.
We can nail this guy.
So what's the plan?
You know Joe Kennedy? He was a gangster. A thief will get him family in the politics and the White House. True him say take a thief to catch a thief. When me feel the same way, it take a gangster to fight against them gangsterism them have in place.
You know see it, be a one, the youth stay my ball, one just stay this morning.
Okay, Diary of a Bad Man actually came from a prior movie that I did called Reserve Notes, where the character that plays the actual bad man, the way he played that character, it just sparked me to just use that type of character one more time. And what I wanted to do is that I wanted to show a different side of a bad man and not give the same stereotypical view of a bad man. You know, so a lot of people were concerned about that, saying, is this another negative image of black people, of Jamaicans? And I guaranteed them that it wasn't, which they saw that it wasn't. So it was a way to talk to people, you know, through a character that some people are used to seeing. With the casting is that most of the actors I've actually worked with before, so I knew their work ethic, and so basically, yeah, there's some actors that I didn't know that I actually casted for online. They sent videos, and basically went like that. The film was like 2.5, 3 weeks, but the whole entire production to complete that edit, color correct, was 6 months. Yeah.
And where did you shoot?
The movie was shot in New York and in New Jersey.
I play a character named Winston Bucky Bailey. He's a street figure, mixed up in some gangsterism, but for the most part, he's a good man trying to do good things.
How did you get the role?
Well, I actually auditioned for the role like any other actor would, but me and Demarai, we had a relationship from other films that we've shot before. So he kind of knew my capabilities. So it was, you know, I had a little inlet from the last films that we actually shot before.
Since you worked with the director before, were there any challenges with this production in terms of the character?
You know what, there's always challenges with the character, because once the words hit the paper, it's my duty as an actor now to deliver the person that he has in mind. And with Winston Bucky Bailey, it was intricate because he was a very complex individual, being a gangster, but at the same time, he had family. He fall in love with the person who take him down, who is Jacin's character, Simone, the law enforcement officer. And so yeah, it was many challenges, but you know, you have to face them and bring the right character to the people.
And I played the lead detective, Simone William, who went undercover to bring down Winston Bucky Bailey. It was basically written for me because I worked with the director, Deanna, before. So when he knew that I was Jamaican from St. Mary and I was able to play this part, he was like, perfect, I already have my lead. So he wrote it for me.
So you live overseas right now?
Yes, in New York.
How long have you been acting now?
About 3 to 5 years. I started out with modeling, then took theater, and now I'm doing just strictly TV and film.
After 5 weeks of roving around the island, Carnival Pon Di Road had its grand finale. Of course, we have the highlights. Let's check it out.
did I sell him would I pay me for my face. Him say if this was a parking would I pay me for the space. Dead over my body like amazing grace. Real trophy wife, so him give me the first place. Not second or third, that a mad them. Not you hear me at wine and I'm a sang them. Me have my good man where I make future plans. I get a one night stand for the light bill. What? No matter what me up.
Downtown is the home of Digicel. It's where global headquarters is based. And of course, it is the home of Kingston and it's the home of Jamaica. We decided to come there. Downtown, we're in front of thousands of consumers have come out to definitely see the #1 soca artist in the Caribbean perform, Machel Montana. You know, Machel has been the pillar stone of Carnival music for many, many years. And of course, he has journeyed to Jamaica to be a part of the Carnival Week. And what best way than to give back to the people of downtown Kingston than to have him perform for a wonderful crowd.
I's a man, I always happy Pon Di Road is the turn it up. I don't have no time, I don't want no time. I don't have no time, I don't want no time. I will talk about that done. So we go. What's the way? What's the way?
I know last week we were in St. Anne and the overall vibe for the entire 5 weeks have been great. It's been exciting. You know, one of the things that we have seen once we go around the island is that everyone appreciates the music. You know, of course, it's safe for everybody to come out. Great music, great people, great dancers, great performance. And of course, earlier tonight we see Tifa performing in front of the crowd. And of course, everybody is really enjoying it from young to old. Of course, you have to be 18 years and older to drink responsibly and be in the crowd. And next year, we're definitely going to go for a much longer weeks. You know, this year it's only been 5 weeks. Next year, we're looking to push the barrier and go even longer. And of course, we're going to encourage more people to come out next week by ensuring that the entertainment value is turned up for all consumers.
If you do it like
I am a Caribbean man born in Trinidad. I went to school for the first time in Jamaica. My parents, both parents, mother and father, went to Mona. You know, one was a geologist, one was a teacher that became a guidance counselor. So coming to Jamaica is important because Jamaica Carnival is unique. It's one of the places that Byron Lee, the forefather, the founder, took Carnival from Trinidad and made it its own in another island. Especially like Jamaica, reggae music is important. And soca music, calypso music is, you know, deeply connected to reggae and dancehall. So I feel that this is a unity platform and it is necessary for me to always come here and represent. I've been doing this for so many years, you know, but by the grace of God, the motivation is about the people, and I am able to recreate myself when I think about what the people want and what the people need, you know. They want to see this music reach international. They want to see the jumping and the having fun as something that can ease the stress worldwide. So for me, it gives me the motivation to wake up every day and do it again and again.
Well, Carnival Pon Di Road turn up till it turn over. You've been with us from St. Thomas all the way to St. William Grand Park, and we have nothing to say more than we're ecstatic, excited, and we're happy that Jamaica came out and celebrated Carnival with us. Tonight, Machel just rip up the stage, and big up, enough respect to Trinidad, because tonight, Jamaica and Trinidad really brought the Carnival excitement to downtown Kingston. The people of Appleton and Appleton love the people, and this year, we showed the people that Appleton is a brand for them, and with them we had tons of fun from St. Thomas to Montego Bay to Mandeville to Brownstown and downtown Kingston tonight. 100% enough love from Appleton. As long as Digicel ready, we're ready. Because Pon Di Road is set, and a Pon Di Road they're going to. One more year, Appleton Digicel 2017.
What more could I ask for? Beside a woman in front to go down and walk up, she is and get on and wind. She body can wind up no more. Cause life is short and tomorrow not sure, so I live like it's my last. Oh, drinks in me and now, jump up and wave as the plan now. Just love and girl with the man now. Whoa, cause he thinks us.
Coming up after the break, Romain Virgo talks about his upcoming album and we pay tribute to Sly and Robbie. We'll be right back.